Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys are reading the title. We're going to be talking about everything Kaspa. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking across the market right now, and I know, Kaspa community is kind of, used to this over the last, few months. Even when the market is booming, you do tend to see Kaspa kind of, retrace down, lag behind the market. But recently, quite recent, that wasn't the case. Kaspa was actually showing us, quite a bullish, strength over the last, few weeks, which of course is nice. And, is something that, we need to be, looking at quite, carefully and not ignoring that. But yeah, right now, the broader market, I know people are very quick to come out and, bash some of the projects where, the market is going down, this and that, yada, 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 but just completely ignoring, what's happening with the broader market. Right now, the broader market is seeing, quite a bit of volatility, and that is based off of what we're seeing with the dominance and, the Bitcoin price. But let's, analyze and take a look at what's happening with Kaspa right now. So, as far as the price goes in USD, we're currently sitting at 13 cents and down 1.8% in USD comparative, down 0.7% in Bitcoin comparative, market cap at about $3.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $50 million. So not bad. But of course, we could see the price, much higher, which of course not a lot of people want to see, but that's the, the reality, one step at a time in this case. But, when we examine the charts, things will make more sense. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the dominance index is concerned, as you can see, guys, now, dominance index has gone up quite a bit, and you guys know I emphasize so much on the dominance. I know people get bored, looking at this, but you don't want to be getting bored, nor do you want to be ignoring this. This is a very, very important thing to be looking out for, and you can see this for yourself. It has gone up quite a bit, and while Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor pullback, in return, the broader market is seeing a retracement, and this is why we focus so much on the dominance and the Bitcoin price. But with that said, let's really take a look at what's happening with Kaspa. So as I stated to you guys earlier in the video, Kaspa has been showing us some bullish, strength over the course of the last, few weeks. We literally retested the 78.6 at the neckline and got rejected. And, before I even pull out the charts, yet again, we've spoken about the 38.6, so many times on this channel by now. I'm sure now the people that have tuned in over the course of the last, few months, almost a year, are understanding that, Crypto ZX is not just, talking about these levels for no reason. These are very important. Number one, this key resistance. Again, even though we had broken out of that, it's still showing us the strength and the importance of us going below it pretty much since August. We have been trying to break out of here, and we never really got a chance to stay above here, except of course, the 7th, but pretty much neckline, and then pretty much, round trip back down to, pretty much where we started. So you can see this for yourself as to how important that zone is. What also you want to realize, and I've stated this before in my videos, but I know there's a lot of new money coming into the space. You're noticing, and I repeat, you're noticing sharp drops for this project. And with the sharp drops, we cannot ignore, these sharp moves towards the upside as well. Like, you see it happen countless of times. So this makes us question, is there manipulation happening right now for Kaspa? Is there whales that are keeping the price down for, a specific reason? What could be the case? Those are some good things to be obviously speculating. At the end of the day, we come here and speculate and base it off of the price action. But also, remember, it's not listed on tier 1 exchanges right now. And of course, that is, the biggest thing that, people are upset about within the community. But again, like I said, this is where your risk strategy comes into play. Obviously, it does not have the liquidity the likes of XRP, the likes of Cardano, the likes of Polkadot, the likes of Phantom. But of course, this is where the risk factor and the risk strategy of your comes into play. But, of course, every new project, and it's a fairly new project, go through their, massive, building stage and getting to that level where speculators become more realistic rather than just bashing the project, and that's part of the game, and it's part of diversification, and this is why you want to be doing your due diligence. But you're looking at the price of CAST right now. We're sitting below this key support, and again, we know the importance of that. But right now, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. We need to understand the broader market is pulling down. If you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, the chart does not look as bad as you might think. Right now, you can clearly see once again. I don't make this up at this point, guys. we saw several different retests at that key resistance itself. We saw a mini breakout, try to see the price bounce, but made its way back down. And that is all due to obviously dominance being this high as well, and the 24-hour trading volume quite low for Kaspa. But so far, so good. I would love, 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 love to see the price of Kaspa stay above the 13.5. And I don't care if the price of Kaspa stays above this range, for even a month. Literally, if you are a holder, you don't want Kaspa to be sitting below this, because the chances of Kaspa falling down to that 10 cents increases quite substantially. So you want to see the price hold above this range, extend and, strengthen that range, and then start heading towards that major level, of course, that we've been talking about, which I think will happen. But, one step at a time, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your, goals for Kaspa this year? Where do you see Kaspa going, and what excites you the most about Kaspa? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. More updates coming on a day-to-day basis. Need your support. Come join the Crypto ZX army. Smash that like button if you have not done so. And yeah, we'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX. Peace out.